Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Movers, Dover local and long-distance movers near me. Many individuals planning to move to locations within the same city as they are leaving can engage in a DIY move to save money. While that is true, the time and stress involved will be equivalent to a professional mover's payment. So, why not choose the option with the least stress? Our Dover Local 3 Movers service is very affordable. Our local moving service also helps you save time. During the consultation with our team, we will access your loads and provide the best vehicle to carry your items quickly. Using your vehicle will only slow the relocation process and delay you further. Let's help you arrive at your new apartment without stress. For a cross-city or cross-country trip, moving and delivering your items in a vehicle without slight or significant damage is very slim. Instead of struggling with the journey and replacing many valuables due to improper handling, just hire 3 movers. Your items will be safely packed and loaded into the vehicle for delivery without scratches. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Dover moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.